I'm Cameron Gebhart here at your local Market Street Ace Hardware, and today we are going to be doing a Thanksgiving Day turkey. A couple items needed when we first get this bird going before we can put it on the Traeger to start cooking. Your pellets. We chose the Reserve line by Traeger. It's got their 3 best and most popular blends. So you got oak, cherry, and apple. That's going to give this bird a great smoky hardwood flavor, along with the brine kit. Your brine is one of the most important things with your turkey. It's going to keep that bird nice and juicy and keep it from drying out while it's cooking. We went with the Brine Some Turkey kit. This kit we sell down here, $9.99. It comes with everything you need to brine the turkey. Comes with your brine seasoning. Comes with your spice packet that you put on the turkey after it's sat in the brine. And the bag. This bag will do up to a 25-pound turkey. Today we did a 20-pound turkey. Before we put this bird on the Traeger to smoke, we want to season it. So we've just pulled it out of our brine bag. We've patted it dry. Now it's ready for the olive oil. You're going to pour quite a bit on. You can get this olive oil at any grocery store, supermarket. And I'm going to brush it on just to give it that nice even coat. Now that we've got the bird all seasoned up, we're ready to put it on the Traeger. We're going to let this bird cook for about 3 hours to make sure that it gets to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been exactly 3.5 hours since we put that turkey on the Traeger. Now let's pull it off and see how she looks. She is a beaut. I'm going to let her sit for about 15 minutes to cool down a little bit and let the juices really flow, and then we'll start carving into her. It's been about 15 minutes we've let the bird cool, so let's carve into her and give her a taste. I'll tell you right now, it's super tender. That bird is phenomenal. Super juicy. That brine kit really kept the juices in. It is not dried out in the slightest bit. The pellets, the seasoning kit that does come with your brine, has given this bird a savory yet smoky and robust flavor. It is excellent. So this concludes the cooking of the turkey. I'd like to thank everyone for watching and remind everyone, please and thank you, shopping at your local Ace Hardware.